What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today I want to teach you the chamber kicking drill. This drill comes from Taekwondo, and if you want clean, controlled kicks, you should do it a ton. And it's really easy to explain. You just get into a chamber position, and then you perform a number of different kicks while then returning back to the chamber position. It's a great workout for your kicking leg and also the leg that's balancing on the bottom. You can perform front kick, crescent kicks, round kick, hook kick, and side kick, as well as a number of other kicks. Really, you can just mix it up depending on how creative you are. Not only that, but you can also kick at different heights. You can go low, a little bit higher, medium, to the shoulder maybe, and then to the head. Practicing the different kicks at the different heights, all from that chamber position, is a great way to train your body. Thank you guys so much for watching. Trust me, I know this drill is simple, but if you do it again and again and again, you will see a huge improvement in your kicks, your control, and your cleanliness. If you liked this video, subscribe for more educational tricking content. But thank you again and have a lovely day.